Hey, what's up YouTube? Your boy Dex back with another unboxing. We got a couple packages here for Supreme Fall Winter 19 Week 1. And also I want to announce that we're going to be doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe this video. Share it and give more details when we get closer to that. Thanks. So let's get started. Let's start with the box first. Up. Got the nice red socks. This is all personal stuff. Take a pair out. Got Supreme up on the top there. Hanes down on the bottom. What does it come with? 6 pair? 4 pair? 1, 2, 4. 4 pair. Nice socks. And next we got no stickers. That's shitty. We got the measuring cup. I don't know if you can see the little detail on it. Supreme. This would be nice for cooking in the kitchen. Yes, I'm actually going to use this. Be nice for the kitchen. Go with the kitchen towels I got. Last but not least, hopefully get a sticker in here is Paratrooper. We got the lotion sticker, Supreme Professional Care Super Cream. We got the Lotto scratch off box logo. We got the Mary J. Blige sticker. Let me get a coin real fast here.
A coin?
Taking a lot harder than I thought, but scratch it off, it comes to a red box logo. But a little Paratrooper that I'm not going to open. Just keep this like this. It's just it's a white parachute. It has a big red Supreme box logo on it. Kind of salty. That's the only sticker I got. When that scratch off sticker. This one we got Supreme the Most hoodie. Really, really nice quality. It's heavy too. And up here you got a little font in there. It says Supreme. And it says, "Who is fucking us over the most?" You see in there? Not monetized, so I don't gotta worry about that. This is a size large. I believe I bought. Large, yeah. Let's get it on and check it out. Here we are. I'm about 5'10". This is size large, which I think this fits perfect. Super glad I didn't get a medium. That would have been a little short. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Keep it on for more. Peace out.